Ever wondered how those incredible AI applications are built? Want to be the one creating the next big thing in artificial intelligence? You're in the right place. Today, we're diving into a clear roadmap to becoming a successful AI engineer in 2025 and beyond. An AI engineer is the bridge between AI research and real-world applications. They design, build, and deploy machine learning models. With the explosion of AI, the demand for these skills is skyrocketing. In this video, we'll cover the essential skills, learning paths, and practical steps you need to take. So let's get started. First, let's talk about the foundations. You can't build a skyscraper without a solid base, right? You'll need a strong grasp of mathematics. Linear algebra, calculus, and probability are crucial for understanding and optimizing machine learning algorithms. Next, programming. Python is the language of AI. It's versatile, has a huge community, and tons of libraries. Get comfortable with it. Don't forget computer science fundamentals, data structures, algorithms, and database knowledge will make you a more efficient and effective engineer. Now let's dive into the core of AI, machine learning and deep learning. Machine learning is about training models to learn from data. You'll need to understand supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement learning. Deep learning, using neural networks, is where things get really exciting. CNNs for images, RNNs for sequences, and transformers for natural language processing. Frameworks like TensorFlow and PyTorch are your tools here. Get hands-on experience with them. It's not just about theory. You need practical skills. Data handling with Pandas and NumPy, data visualization with Matplotlib and Seaborn, and cloud computing with AWS, Google Cloud, or Azure. Version control with Git is essential for collaboration. And understanding MLOps, the process of deploying and maintaining models, is becoming increasingly important. So how do you learn all this? First, start with building your plan. Visit CareerPathUp.com and navigate to personalized roadmap and preparation. Here you can use AI based on your strengths and weaknesses to build your personalized plan. Enter data in this form based on your background, strengths, and weaknesses. This will generate a personalized plan for you. This plan here is personalized based on the data I have entered. So be honest and clear. Enter your true strengths and weaknesses. Go through the plan. If needed, you can regenerate the plan. So play with it. All right, let's cut to the chase. You're an aspiring AI engineer, and you're staring down the barrel of a tough interview process. You need to get from where you are to that coveted role, and you need to do it efficiently. Here's the problem. AI/ML is vast. You can't just memorize formulas. You need to deeply understand concepts, apply them, and then articulate them under pressure. That's where this plan, generated by CareerPathUp, comes in. But forget the nitty-gritty details for a second. What makes this plan and CareerPathUp so valuable? It's not just a plan, it's a personalized roadmap. Notice how it's tailored to your learning style and weak areas? It's not some generic checklist. CareerPathUp's tool understands that everyone learns differently. It pinpoints exactly where you need to focus, saving you precious time. It's about understanding, not just memorizing. Look at the emphasis on concept-based learning. It's pushing you to understand the why behind every algorithm. That's crucial for AI interviews. You won't just be asked to recite definitions. You'll be asked to explain how things work, and more importantly, why they work. It's a simulated interview environment. CareerPathUp isn't just about study plans. It's about practical application. The tool provides AI/ML interview questions and even mock interview scenarios. This is critical. You can learn all the theory in the world, but if you can't perform under pressure, it's useless. It's a resource hub. The plan integrates CareerPathUp's resources directly into your study schedule. It's not just a website. It's an active tool that guides your learning. It's about efficiency. This plan breaks down complex topics into manageable chunks, and it uses proven learning techniques like active recall and spaced repetition. You're not just throwing study hours at the wall. You're using them strategically. In short, CareerPathUp takes the guesswork out of your AI engineer transition. It's not just about giving you a study plan. It's about giving you a personalized, actionable strategy that gets you interview ready. It's about turning your weaknesses into strengths and doing it in a way that maximizes your time and effort. If you're serious about landing that AI engineer role, you need a tool like this. It's not just a plan. It's your competitive edge. You're not just looking for a job, you're looking for a career transformation. And that's exactly what CareerPathUp's AI is designed for. Forget generic online courses. You need something that adapts to you, your learning style, and your professional goals. That's where CareerPathUp's AI chatbot shines. Think of it as your personal AI tutor, laser-focused on your professional growth. You're struggling with back propagation? Ask the chatbot. It won't just give you a textbook definition. It'll break it down in a way you understand. It'll give you examples, code snippets, and even suggest related topics to deepen your knowledge. It's not just a knowledge dump. The chatbot is fine-tuned for the specific skills you need to transition into an AI engineer role. It understands the nuances of machine learning, deep learning, and the practical tools you'll be using every day. Here's the real power move. Combine the AI chatbot with CareerPathUp's tracker and Kanban board. The chatbot is your on-demand tutor. Ask it questions, get explanations, and test your understanding. The tracker is your progress monitor. See where you're excelling and where you need to focus. The Kanban board is your project manager. Break down complex topics into manageable tasks, track your progress, and stay organized. This isn't just about learning. It's about building a structured, efficient learning pipeline. You're not just passively absorbing information. You're actively engaging with it, tracking your progress, and staying organized. Break down your goals into smaller, manageable steps to make progress more achievable. Use the interactive, visual Kanban board to visualize your progress and see where you are in the roadmap journey. Track your timing to ensure you're making progress towards your goals and staying on schedule. Use CareerPathUp AI to create customized resumes that highlight your skills and experiences relevant to your target roles.